Hello and welcome to Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. I have my working hair on today because we're going to build a cabinet. This is it's a 6-drawer dresser, not a chest, but the long dresser. And I'm hoping that this will be my new ironing station in the big room. I got it about a week ago from Amazon, and it is right here. This is one big heavy dude. It was at my front door, and I just grabbed this cart and wheeled it in through this door, and here it is, and it's been sitting here for about a week, so hopefully I can get Ray up here and we can get it opened up and get it going. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay everybody, I got Ray down here. Hi Ray. I know he's gonna love being on camera. Anyway, he's gonna open this bad boy up and we're gonna see what we got. And there's my new kitty. He is tormenting Chrome and us, and there he goes. His name is Poe, and yeah, so we'll get a closer look. Oh, here he comes. You know, he's back there jumping around. Hey, does that look like a dresser, guys? Looks like a lot of work. Okay, we'll be back in a few. Okay, everybody, there are pieces. Holy smokes. Look at all of those. There's a bunch stacked back there. And here's all the connectors and screws and hardware, and just an empty big box. I thought we didn't get any hardware. I freaked out, and Ray asked me if there was another box, and I said no. And then he found this little tiny one on top here that I unloaded and didn't. Oh, sometimes you wonder if you're thinking. Anyway, here's all the pieces. So wish us luck, and we'll see you back once we make some progress. Ray's getting a lot done. Look at all this stuff, and there's Poe. He's wanting to play. Goofy cat. So he thinks that's pretty. There he is. Look at that little boy. And there I am in the mirror. Hello. Anyway, so here we go. Ray's doing good. The cat just got him. He's got claws like needles. So yeah, lots of pieces getting done. So we'll be back. Okay guys, we have got Ray drinking some water. He poured his heart and sweat into this bad boy. And there it is. I told him he's off the hook. I will make the drawers. And here's all the drawer parts. There is a lot. So what do you think, Ray? How many more of these you want to make? I guess this is the only one. Well, he's been a good sport and he's done 99.9% of the work. I was the instruction reader, and one part I didn't read correctly, so we've got a couple of little dots on the front of the cabinet where Ray's finger is, because there were big huge cam holes there, so we had it upside down. I directed him wrong, but you know, who's gonna see those now that I pointed it out? Anyway, I will be back shortly when I get the drawers done. I was going to paint the front of the drawers a pretty gray, and then I have really pretty purple glass knobs on there, and I thought, nah, I just want to be done with this. So as soon as I get those drawers done and put the knobs on, we will be set. See you, Ray. He doesn't know about this video and stuff. Bye guys, see you in a few. Okay guys, I've got my drawer pieces ready to roll. Here I go. I have 4 of those drawers and 3 of these drawers, so I'll be back in a flash. Here is the front of the dresser with the drawers. And I lied. It's a 7-drawer dresser, not a 6-drawer. 4 big ones on the bottom and 3 smaller ones on the top. Look at these knobs. Oh, purple crystal. Oh, purple glass, but I'm calling it crystal. Whoo-hoo-hoo. And I don't know if you can see how pretty it is, but it's really pretty. They're just sparkly. One's shining like crazy, but I don't think you can see it. Anywho, there they are. The dresser for the ironing board. It is 26 by 75. So we've got it glued and clamped, and then we're going to put brackets on it. So there it is. Ray is my hero. See you in a few. This is just a plywood piece that we did. It has a tongue and groove, and we put glue in the middle, and then we put brackets on the other side, but Ray has flipped it over. So anyway, we have brackets on the other side that I will try to show you. I'm getting ready to put the batting and the top fabric, yay, on the ironing board. So I'm using this Hobbs heirloom cotton batting, and I got the twin size 72 by 90. So I'm hoping I can double up the 72 and the 90 will be definitely long enough. So that's what I'm hoping. I will get back to you on that if it doesn't work. And this is going to be my ironing board cover. So I'm going to get that all ironed up and get this ready to roll, and I will be back. Okay, I have the ironed piece of fabric for the top face down. I have 2 layers of batting, and now I have the piece of wood on top. And I don't think I mentioned it was a 3/4 inch plywood tongue and groove, and then we put these, Ray glued it, and then we put these little brackets on there. They have 6 screws each, so hopefully that'll help, and that will go on the bottom. So I will be back when we are doing a little bit of work. I did not show you a video while we were stapling. It didn't go well. Our staple gun wasn't working very well, and there were some cuss words, and nobody needed to see that. And there's Poe, he's looking at it. So there it is, all stapled up, and my corners aren't perfect. They look a little rough, and there's my knee in the camera, but there it is, and next stop on top of that cabinet. Okay, I am just going to Velcro this bad boy on here. I hope that's going to work. I put it back a little ways just because I've got the fabric wrapped. On the back side, the board will hang over a good probably 8 inches. So I put those right to the edge. So here we go. We'll be right back when this is on. Okay, I think we got it. We got that top Velcroed on, and this is what it looks like all done. I did buy a little light. I need a USB cord port to plug into, but I have this light that it swivels and stretches. So hopefully it will look good or work good on this ironing board. And all these drawers, you know, we got a little room. I left the overhang about 1.5 inches so you can get into the drawers. And there we go. So there we go, guys. The ironing board is ready to roll. Now I gotta fill the dresser drawers with stuff. Thanks again. We just finished with the 7-drawer dresser / ironing board hybrid, and I am hotter than a pistol, so ignore the cheeks. Thank you for coming along on this ride with me. It has been a 2-weekend ordeal. Ray was a trooper through it all, and I'm so glad he was here to help, because I don't know if I would have gotten it done without him. He's just my hero. It turned out, the top turned out, let's see, 26 by 75. So it's a really good size, and it hangs over about 10 inches on each side of the dresser and about 8 or 10 inches over the back. And I just Velcroed that bad boy to the top of that dresser, and it hasn't moved an inch. It's not wiggling. I bought a lamp that just clamps to the ironing station or to the board on Amazon, and hopefully that's going to be just perfect. Thanks again, you guys. Please consider subscribing, liking, sharing with your friends. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. If you have any questions, concerns, drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you so much. Please stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative. Again, this is Diahn at 4 Clovers Quilting. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.